Hi, let me show you how to create these fun party favors for your next party. I created these personalized cups for my son's 5th birthday. We were going to a water park, so I figured instead of doing the regular, which is usually goodie bags, I decided to go with these fun cups instead and challenge my creativity at the same time. So let's get into it. Okay, so in this clip, I'm finishing my son's cup. I did not want to add anything additional to the cups just because I had a lot of cups to do. I did create personalized cups for every child that was attending the water park for my son's birthday, so I wanted to make sure I got that done. I did receive last minute RSVPs, so I did had to create cups the next day, but that's fine. Here's the candy and the goodies that will go into the cup, and this is how they came out. I also created these personalized tags on my Cricut. I can make a video about that as well. I really enjoyed it. This is something that I really like to do. It brings me peace for some reason, even though it's a lot of work. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for additional videos. Thank you.
You're the only one I can't hide. So you wanna finish, don't fight. Feel about trying something new.
Am I ready? You're like you're ready to get married. You're ready to be a wife.